In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a stock on Fidelity. This process is essential for anyone looking to start investing, whether you're using the Fidelity app or their website on a desktop. Let's dive right in and walk through each step together, ensuring you feel confident and informed. First, you'll need to log in to Fidelity. Open the Fidelity app on your mobile device, or navigate to fidelity.com on your desktop browser. Once you're there, sign in using your account credentials. It's important to keep your login details secure to protect your investments. With your login complete, the next step is to open the trade screen. On the app, you can tap on Trade, or if you're on the desktop, you might see it as Transact, then Trade. This is where all your buying and selling actions will take place. Familiarizing yourself with this screen early on can save you time in the future. Now you'll need to choose the brokerage account you want to use for this transaction. If you have multiple accounts, such as a retirement account or a standard brokerage account, make sure you select the right one. This selection ensures your purchase aligns with your investment strategy. After that, it's time to search for the stock you want to buy. Enter the ticker symbol for the stock. For example, if you're interested in Apple, you would enter AAPL. The ticker symbol is a unique identifier for a stock, and using it helps avoid any mix-ups. Always double-check this to ensure you're buying the right stock. Once you have entered the ticker symbol, choose the action to buy. This step is quite straightforward, but remember, selecting buy means you're ready to purchase shares or a set dollar amount of this stock. This decision is crucial as it sets the direction of your transaction. Next, you'll decide how much of the stock to purchase. You have the flexibility to choose between buying a specific dollar amount or a certain number of shares. For instance, you can buy $50 worth of a stock or decide to purchase 1 or 5 shares. This flexibility allows you to start investing even with a smaller budget. At this point, you'll need to pick your order type. There are common options like a market order, which buys at the current price, or a limit order, where you set the maximum price you want to pay. Understanding the difference is key because market orders execute quickly but can fluctuate in price, while limit orders give you more control over the price you pay. Following that, set the time in force for your order. You can choose a day order, which expires at the end of the trading day, or a good till canceled order, which remains active until you decide otherwise. This setting helps manage your investment timeline effectively. Now it's time to preview and place your order. Tap on Preview Order to review all the details. Ensure everything looks correct, including the ticker symbol and the amount you're buying. This final check helps prevent costly mistakes. Finally, tap on Place Order to confirm your transaction. You will see a confirmation appear, signaling that your order is being processed. Remember, buying fractional shares is possible, allowing you to start investing with smaller dollar amounts. Thank you for watching, and happy investing with Fidelity.